In this lesson, we'll continue our work with the welcome page. When the user will open the application first time, then we'll show the welcome page to the user, and later when he will open the application second time, then he will not see the welcome page. So in order to achieve this functionality, we'll go to the app.xaml.cs file, and there we'll use version tracking class .track method. Basically, this version tracking is used to track the version of application. And earlier, this is a part of Xamarin Essentials, and there is also a documentation of this version tracking. Okay, according to this documentation, this version tracking.track is used to track the current version of the application. Then we'll use an if condition and check if the version tracking is first ever launch property is true. Then we'll set the main page equals welcome page. Else, if it's not true, then we'll set main page equals weather page. Basically, this version tracking is first ever launch is used to check whether the application is launched first time or not. If the application is launched first time, then we'll set the main page to welcome page. And if the application is launched second time or so on, then we'll set the main page to weather page. Okay, let's run this application, and here we'll see the welcome page. Alright, let's go forward and we'll see the weather page. Now let's stop the execution and we're going to run this application once again. Now this time we'll see the weather page as our main page. Alright, I hope you have got this concept of version tracking. That's all from this lesson. Now I'll see you in the next one.